Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll do a street style onion samosa and a whole wheat onion samosa. So let us prepare the fillings first. Take one big sized onion chopped. To this add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, the required amount of salt, a handful of coriander chopped. Give a nice mix. Our stuffing is ready, set this aside. Next we'll move on and do our dough. Take 1.5 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, required amount of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. Give a nice mix. Add water little by little and make a smooth dough. Gather everything together and add 1 tablespoon of oil to this. Our dough is ready. Cover it with a wet cloth and let this rest for half an hour. By the time, let us make the slurry. Take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add some water and mix well. We have to get a smooth batter, so mix well. This is ready now. Next, take a small portion of the dough. Now we are going to roll this. Roll this as thin as possible. We are going to cut this out as a perfect rectangle. Now let us cook this in a hot tawa. Don't overcook, just cook for 30 seconds on both sides or till small bubbles appear. This is ready now, we can take it out. Our samosa sheet is ready. Now apply the slurry on the sides. Fold it as a triangle and make it into a cone. Our cone is ready. Now fill the onion stuffing. Use more corn flour mix to seal it properly. Our street style samosa is ready to be fried. Next we'll move on and make our wheat samosas. Take half a cup of whole wheat flour. To this add 2 tablespoons of hot oil and the required amount of salt. Give a nice mix. Add enough milk to get a smooth dough. Collect everything together and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Our dough is ready. Now close it with a wet cloth and leave it for half an hour. It's time to roll our dough as rectangular sheets. Our rectangle sheet is ready. Now let us cook this on both sides. Cook till small bubbles appear. This is ready now. Our samosa sheet is ready. Apply slurry on the sides. Now fold it as a cone and fill the onion stuffing. Use more corn flour mix to seal it properly. Our whole wheat samosa is also ready to be fried. Now let us fry both the samosas. Turn and fry till golden brown. Both the samosas are ready. Now we shall take them out. Our samosas are ready now. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.